Hello children, welcome back to your maths class. Today we will be continuing with lesson 15 and we'll be dealing with properties of a straight line. The first one is collinear points. When we say collinear points, when three or more points lie on the same straight line, that means we have one straight line, right? And we have 3 points. Point A, B, C are on the same straight line. So these points are called collinear points. Point pakhata, line pakhata, points pathum emo, aaitam emo omkhan, chung points te chu collinear points anti, right? So when we have 3 points like this, will we be able to draw a straight line? Here we can draw 2 straight lines. So this ABC point, these are not collinear points because the points are not on the same straight line. Only when the points are on the same straight line, they are called collinear points, right? Next we have intersecting lines. Intersect means meet, right? So that means when 2 lines meet each other at one point, 2 lines, for example, line AB and line CD, they cross each other, right? Or they meet each other at one point, let's say O. That means these 2 lines, line AB and line CD, are intersecting lines. And when the point where the 2 lines meet, in case of this point O, this is called point of intersection, right? The point where the 2 lines meet, they are called, it is called intersecting, point of intersection. And we can also have, in passing through a point, one point, we can have as many intersecting lines as we want, right? See, we can draw as many lines as we want in passing through one point. These are all intersecting lines, right? When 2 or more lines passes through a point, one point, that means those lines are called intersecting lines. Next we have parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that never meet each other, even if they are extended, right? Even if they are extended, they never meet each other. For example, this is line AB, this is line XY, right? The distance of the 2 lines are same even when they are extended, right? These 2 lines never meet. So this type of lines are called parallel lines. Parallel lines never meet each other. So see, intersecting lines touch, meet each other at the point of intersection, but parallel lines do not meet each other. The distance of the 2 lines, right? The distance of the 2 lines are same even when they are extended. The symbol for parallel lines, when we, for example, AB and XY, the distance between them are constant, are same, right? So they are parallel. So the parallel lines, the symbol that we use, AB, we use this symbol, right? Parallel to XY. When we see this, we will read it as AB is parallel to XY. That means line AB and line XY are parallel to each other. Right. Next we have perpendicular lines. When we say perpendicular lines, when 2 lines meet each other like this, This is line AB, right? This is line AB, and another straight line intersect or crosses line AB. For example, this is line XY, right? So when two lines meet each other and make 90-degree, so the two lines are perpendicular lines. When we say perpendicular, the two lines meet each other, and at the point of intersection they make 90-degree. Look at intersecting lines. In the when two lines meet each other at a point, but those lines here also we do not see 90-degree here, right? If they do not make 90-degree, they are intersecting lines, simply intersecting lines. But when the two lines intersect each other, and at the point of intersection, if they make 90-degree, the two lines are called perpendicular lines, and they are perpendicular to each other. So the symbol for perpendicular lines here, AB is perpendicular to XY. So we will write AB, this is perpendicular sign, right? AB perpendicular to XY. That means line AB and line XY intersect each other and makes 90-degree at their point of intersection, right? Next we have perpendicular bisector. So when we hear this, when we see the word perpendicular, it always refer to 90-degree, right? Perpendicular at 90-degree ron siamang. Perpendicular lines kan tipo ka line pa ni ain to na line ka 90-degree siam kan perpendicular lines ani. Perpendicular bisector kan ti perpendicular ni reng 90-degree ni nga, bisector ni reng chuan ava chensha na ka in tia che nen chen ti na ni. So if it is perpendicular bisector, two lines intersect, right? And for example, line AB is intersected by line CD at point O, right? And this CD perpendicular AB at the midpoint of AB condition. AB line taka hian CD line hian avatan tlang chuan kami til line ka perpendicular bisector 90-degree an siam buka chun AB line taka avatan tlang buk chuan perpendicular bisector ani tina. Perpendicular lines kan ti khan alai taka in chen lo po khan perpendicular om the heta po hian XY le PQ hi lo in tok ta se they crosses each other and makes 90-degree. But when we look at, there's a point of intersection, it's not at the midpoint of XY, but still they are perpendicular lines, right? Alai taka in tok lo masila 90-degree an siam chuan perpendicular lines ani. Masi perpendicular bisector at chuan ay in ang che pa in an lo na chu 90-degree an siama ay baka khan avatan tlanga kha alai taka LM and O. This LM lai taka hian NO hian apal tlanga bang hian. These lines are called perpendicular bisector, right? Last one we have concurrent lines. When three or more lines are drawn through a point, that means three or more lines are drawn through a point. When the three or more lines pass through one point, those lines are called concurrent lines, right? For the definitions that we had just learned, I want you to read your textbook, Properties of a Straight Line. I will not be giving you an assignment today, and I want you to go through the definitions from your textbook, right? Before we end, let us check the answers of your previous assignment.